In this video, we delve into the fundamental process of protein synthesis and its critical role in the context of muscle building. Protein synthesis is the process by which cells generate new proteins, essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall function. Understanding this intricate process gives us insights into how our dietary choices, exercise routines, and recovery strategies can directly impact muscle protein synthesis. By optimizing nutrition, incorporating effective training techniques, and prioritizing adequate rest and recovery, individuals can enhance protein synthesis for more efficient muscle building. Additionally, we explore the potential role of supplements in supporting and maximizing the protein synthesis process for improved muscle development. This segment delves into the fascinating process of protein synthesis, where cells utilize the genetic information encoded in DNA to produce proteins essential for various cellular functions, including muscle building. We explore the intricate mechanisms involved in transcribing the genetic code from DNA to mRNA and translating it into specific sequences of amino acids to form proteins. Key players such as ribosomes, transfer RNA, and messenger RNA are essential in orchestrating this complex process. Understanding these molecular interactions provides critical insights into how cells regulate protein synthesis and adapt to different physiological demands, making it a crucial aspect to consider in the context of muscle growth and overall body function. In this segment, we uncover the critical role of nutrition in maximizing protein synthesis for efficient muscle growth. We delve into the essential nutrients and dietary factors that play a key role in facilitating optimal protein synthesis within the body. Understanding the impact of macronutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, as well as the importance of micronutrients including vitamins and minerals, provides insights into how our dietary choices can directly influence the muscle building process. Additionally, we explore the significance of meal timing and the concept of nutrient timing in relation to protein synthesis. By discovering the interplay between nutrition and protein synthesis, individuals can make informed dietary decisions to support their muscle building goals. This segment focuses on the pivotal role of exercise and training techniques in stimulating protein synthesis within muscles for optimal gains. We explore various types of exercises, including resistance training, high-intensity interval training, and metabolic conditioning, that have been shown to effectively stimulate protein synthesis. Additionally, we delve into the concept of progressive overload and its impact on muscle protein synthesis, highlighting the importance of continually challenging the muscles to promote growth. By understanding the principles of exercise-induced protein synthesis, individuals can tailor their training programs to maximize muscle building potential and achieve their fitness goals. This exploration provides valuable insights into the synergy between training strategies and protein synthesis, emphasizing the significance of strategic physical exertion for muscle development. In this segment, we delve into the critical role of rest and recovery in facilitating effective protein synthesis for muscle repair and growth. We discuss the physiological processes that occur during periods of rest, emphasizing their significance in enabling the body to efficiently carry out protein synthesis. Additionally, we explore the impact of sleep quality and duration on muscle protein synthesis, highlighting the essential role of adequate sleep in the muscle recovery process. Furthermore, the importance of active recovery strategies such as stretching, mobility work, and low-intensity activities is emphasized, showcasing their contribution to optimizing protein synthesis and supporting muscle repair. This comprehensive exploration sheds light on the integral relationship between rest, recovery, and protein synthesis in the context of muscle maintenance and growth. This segment delves into the realm of supplements and their potential to enhance protein synthesis, further supporting muscle building endeavors. We explore specific supplements such as whey protein, creatine, and branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, known for their roles in supporting protein synthesis and muscle recovery. Additionally, we discuss the mechanisms by which these supplements may influence protein synthesis pathways within the body. Understanding the potential benefits and considerations related to supplement usage provides valuable insights for individuals seeking to optimize their muscle building efforts. By examining the scientific evidence and practical applications of these supplements, viewers gain a comprehensive understanding of how certain supplements can complement their protein synthesis and muscle building goals.